Here's a data set that we're going to use to look at how to make histograms. This is raw data in its pure form with lots of repetitive values. Take some time here to pause the video and enter this data into your calculator. Okay, let's go ahead and create a graph here with the data we just entered. I'm going to go to my Stat Edit menu. I'm going to look here and show that the data does exist in my L1. Let's go down and create a stat plot now. So I'm going to go to second, stat plot, second y equals, and up pops my stat plot menu. I'm going to be turning that on. Move down here and see that I am indeed making a histogram. Scrolling down, my X data is in my L1 and my frequency is going to be that of 1. Okay, here I've made a mistake where I need to go second quit and then hit zoom 9. Once I hit zoom 9, we're going to see that I've created my histogram. Looks like a bar chart, but we know that this is a histogram because this is continuous data. I'm going to scroll across here, noticing that as I hit trace and I look at the values, they give me the bin width, and it tells me how many values exist in each of my bins. So the calculator allows me to trace these things out. Here's another look at the same data set. I've just taken this first data set on the left hand column here, and I'm creating a frequency table set for that. Every X value, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 have the number of values placed on the right and under the frequency. Go ahead and pause the video, get this data into your calculator as well. Alright, let's take a look here. It's in my L1 and now L2. You can see here that I've placed still the X values, but now in their singular form, and frequencies, such that the value 4, well, there were 3 of them, now the frequency is 4. 5, the X value 5, there were 4 values. So our frequency table is built. Let's go back into StatPlot. And once in StatPlot, we're going to change just 1 or 2 things here. We're going to scroll down. We're on the right type. XList is still that, L1. And now when I go to my frequency, now I want my frequency, instead of being 1, I'd like my frequency to be L2. So it's going to look at L2 for that list. I'm going to go into StatPlot. And there I've made the mistake again of when that's on alpha, I can't do that. Go to the home screen, hit zoom 9, and here we see the same histogram. Again, same data, same histogram, just a different way of entering the data. And again, we're able to scroll through and see all the same things we were able to see with the last graph.